Good morning, students. Today I am going to derive a formula to measure how much heat is produced, which is the heating effect of electric current. Yesterday I have written H equal to I square RT. H is the heat produced, I electric current, R resistance, and T time of passing electric current. So how to derive H equal to I square RT? You know from your previous study, suppose that any object, any charge is at infinity, to bring the charge from infinity to any point, work must be done. Here is a charge Q at infinity, and it is to drop in electric field at any point, and work done is W. Q charge at infinity, W work is done in bringing the charge from infinity to a point A, B, C. Any point may be there. Suppose that this is the potential. So you know, we know that V equal to W by Q, which is the potential work done in bringing unit charge from infinity to any point in electric field. V equal to W by Q. From this formula, by cross multiplication, we will write W equal to V into Q. V for voltage, V for potential difference, and Q for charge, you know. W equal to V into Q. You know the formula, the definition of electric current, rate of change of flow of charge, that is I equal to Q by T. At what rate charge flows in a conductor, this is known as electric current. So in place of Q, I can write here from this formula Q equal to I into T. I equal to Q by T, by cross multiplication Q equal to I into T. So here V into I into time. From the definition of electric current, from Ohm's law, you know that what does Ohm's law say? V equal to IR. So here we can use V in term of current and resistance. So W equal to I into R into I and T. I and I, that is I square. So W equal to I square RT. This work done is stored in the object in the form of heat energy. So in place of H, W, we can write here H. Because whenever we perform work, I am rubbing my two palms, what happens? It becomes hot. That's why when electric current is flowing, any electric iron, any system, any apparatus, what happens? There is production of heat, that is a work done, is stored in the form of heat produced. Whenever work is done, heat is produced. So in place of W, I have written H equal to I square RT. This is the formula, and this is the way to derive this formula, this expression to calculate heat. This indicates that if there is a, suppose that a wire, a conductor having resistance R, in which I current is flowing 4 times T. I current is flowing for time t. The resistance of the conductor wire is R. So how much heat is produced? H equal to I square RT. In this way, we can solve lot of numerical problems based on H equal to I square RT. There may be question, what are the factors on which heat produced depend? So there are three factors. Heat produced depend on the electric current, resistance and time of passing electric current. Heat produced is directly proportional to the square of electric current. Heat produced is directly proportional to the resistance of the conductor, and heat produced is directly proportional to the time of passing electric current. If we increase the time, more heat will be produced. So these are the factors which affect the heat produced in a conductor or heating system. Thanks, that's all.